Okay, let's look at our final case study. Procter & Gamble, a global leader in consumer goods, has strategically embedded data scientists within its R&D teams through its AI CoE. This initiative aimed to accelerate product innovation, enhance personalization, and improve manufacturing efficiency across more than 120 manufacturing sites in over 40 countries. P&G used four key technologies. First is machine learning. Based on data collected, personalized consumer insights are delivered to consumers, such as recommending the right diaper size to parents. Sensor-assisted analytics. Smart products equipped with sensors collected real-time usage data for products designed to customer preferences, as well as Microsoft Azure AI Suite. This included Azure Synapse Analytics, Data Lake Storage, and Power BI for scalable data processing and visualization. And Smartbox Edge devices. These captured real-time equipment data to optimize manufacturing processes. It is worth to highlight the benefits delivered by P&G's AI factory. Firstly, consumer-centric framing. The AI CoE ensures every initiative is tightly aligned with P&G's core goal, delighting the consumer, by driving tangible value creation through consumer-focused design. There were also additional implementation highlights that contributed meaningfully to P&G's AI transformation. If you'd like to explore these further, you can find the complete breakdown in our Udemy course. Check the description below for the link. The result P&G achieved is outstanding. 80% reduction in waste. For example, in Pampers production, AI reduced glue-related waste dramatically. Faster innovation cycles. Real-time data and simulations shortened product development timelines. Enhanced personalization. Enabled product recommendations tailored to individual consumer needs and habits, delivering better product experiences that boost consumer engagement and loyalty. On top, P&G also achieved strategic impact. Innovation culture. Fostered a data-driven mindset across R&D and product teams. Consumer-centric design. Shifted from reactive to anticipatory product development. Above and beyond, P&G also excel in operational excellence, where improved efficiency and reduced costs in both design and manufacturing